Hello. Hi again, Cambly learners. My name is Lani. I'm a tutor on Cambly. Today, you'll be learning the difference between the commonly confused words complement and complement. We'll go over their meaning, see some examples of when or how to use them, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to tell the difference between them. Let's start by doing a simple listening test. Are you ready? Listen carefully. Complement, 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 complement. Can you tell the difference? Neither can I. And that's because complement and complement are homophones. A homophone is a word that sounds just like another word, but it has a different meaning or spelling. Having said that, let's go over our first word, complement with an E. Complement can be used as a noun or as a verb. As a noun, it's used for something that completes, enhances, makes better, or perfects something else in some way. Let's start with a food example. We all like food, right? Let me ask you this. Do you like French fries or hamburgers? For some of us, adding ketchup is just the right touch to make the meal perfect or complete. Although you could have French fries or hamburgers without ketchup, adding a condiment will definitely make it taste better. Here's how you can use it in a sentence. Ketchup is a great complement to French fries. What about you? What's your favorite food and its complement? As a verb, to complement means to complete, add to, enhance, or improve something. Let me give you some examples and discuss the slightly different meanings. Number one, to complete or enhance something or to make it more effective or attractive. Here's an example. That color really complements your eyes. This means the color you chose to wear looks really good on you and it makes you look more attractive. It makes your eyes stand out. Number two, it refers to something that completes or brings perfection to something else. For example, the wine complemented the meal perfectly. Your meal was delicious already, but adding a glass of good wine made it perfect. Number three, to be an appropriate or suitable addition to something else. Here's our example. Workplace experience will complement your academic studies. Going to university and studying to complete your degree is a good way to learn a subject. Adding work experience on top of that will provide another way of learning outside the classroom. In this case, work experience is an appropriate or suitable addition to your career. Now let's discuss the meaning of complement with an I. Complement can be used both as a verb or as a noun. As a noun, compliment refers to an expression or comment of esteem, admiration, or praise. It's basically a nice thing that one person says to another. Let's see some examples. Let's say that your friend invited you to her house and she baked a cake for you. It was amazing and you want to praise her for it. You could say, "My compliments on your chocolate cake. It's delicious." Or if you are at a restaurant, perhaps you want to congratulate the chef. You could say to the waiter, "Please send my compliments to the chef. Dinner was great." This would be a very polite way to show admiration for the meal that you just had. Here's another example. Susie received several compliments about her new hairstyle. Because Susie got a new haircut, people were telling her how good she looked. This is what they told her. "Hey, I love your new hairstyle. You look so much younger. Wow, you look so pretty." Have you ever received any compliments because of a new haircut or wearing something that looks good on you? When used as a verb, compliment means to express praise, respect, or affection. I want to compliment the speaker after his talk. He gave a great speech. After hearing a motivating or encouraging talk, you are moved to express your admiration or praise the speaker for the great job he did. Here's another example. My teacher always compliments us when we get good test results. Teachers always look for ways to compliment or praise students and keep them motivated. I personally like to compliment others when I see something positive in them. What about you? Do you like complimenting others? I really hope this quick lesson complements your great English skills and you get lots of compliments for it. And for those who are unfamiliar with Cambly, Cambly gives you instant access to friendly native English speakers like me. You can take English lessons anytime, anywhere, right from your phone or your computer. Schedule your next class with me using the link below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.